In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Metron water meter on a 1/2 inch copper line. You'll start by getting two 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch shark bites and sliding the PEX into the shark bite, and you'll leave about 1 inch of space. You'll then put on the crimp ring and slide on the meter connector. You'll then want to get your PEX crimpers and crimp the ring down and make sure that you crimp it straight. You'll then repeat for the other side, which in this video we have already made that piece. You'll then make sure that you place the gasket inside the meter connector and hand tighten it onto the water meter. You want to make sure that you first get it hand tight rather than using your channel locks, just to make sure you did not cross thread. And repeat on the other side. You'll then set your water meter up to the line, in which you'll get your marks and you'll want to mark it. In this video, just to save material, we're just going to cut the copper one time rather than making the two cuts. Once you have that done, you're good to go ahead and slide the copper into the shark bite. It should go in 1 inch. And you'll repeat on the other side. And then you'll want to tighten up the meter connectors and make sure they're nice and snug on both sides. Then from there, you're good to go ahead and run your heat tape alongside the meter and insulate it.